Well, we got another package for us. Check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something special from Sleazy P Martini, manager of Guar, and also streamer on multiple platforms. So feel free to check out Sleazy P Martini. Drop some links in the description on various platforms: Rumble, Twitch, Kick, Odyssey, BitChute. Check them all out. Also known as What Did You Do in the Guar, Daddy, on YouTube. So again, I'll try to drop all these links. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. I did cheat a little bit and pre-slice because he really wrapped this very well. And in fact, there we go. So I have a lid, and I'm going to pull out some of these, and a carefully bubble wrapped item. No manifest, but I know exactly what I ordered. So first off, these are 3 examples of the new patch available from HYPEREAL Productions. Crackhead Elite. So for those involved in the current meme conflict, global, shows you have done your part. Now, the reveal on this item, we have here a Sleazy P Martini bobblehead. And it's autographed. So with the classic pompadour, the suit, the bling, and of course, the shoes of greatness. So just a few items of many that are available from HYPEREAL Productions and Sleazy P Martini, who's created various props, images, videos, performed with Guar, manager of Guar. So very pleased to have these now in the house. So 3 of the Crackhead Elite patches and a bobblehead autographed by Sleazy P Martini. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.